Okay.
So hello, I'm Susanna. I'm a regional consultant of Youth in Action program in Slovakia, and I'm going to say you something about the Youth in Action program here and how the Serbs could join into. First of all, the Youth in Action program is here since 1996, and since there are quite a lot of programs running, and many youngsters join into, and they enjoy it very much. Most of them are enjoying youth exchanges, I think, and just a few of them were like volunteers, and I'm so happy that it's started to increase here also in Slovakia, the hosting places. And as I know that the hosting organization of this youth exchange is going to be a host organization for volunteers, and it's really a great opportunity for them and for the youngsters also. And I'm working with this program since 2004, and I love it. So just join in. And about the Serbs, how they can join in, I know that there is a limit of joining just in volunteering, a volunteer service and youth exchanges. They can, and they have to apply in Brussels for the project. It's like 3.2 activity, like Youth in Action program, and the youth exchanges are the similar way written like here. So it's like the similar how to prepare it like here. So you can share your I don't know, experiences about it.
Thank you.
Okay.